Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Guess what? I'm ready for some pizza pizzazz.
Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah! I've got my basic cheese pizza par baking in the oven, and I'm going to turn it into a Mexican street corn pizza. Let's do it. Grab a bowl. It's time to make some sauce. I need a half a cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of garlic minced, a tablespoon of lime juice, a half teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of cumin. Let's mix that up. Time to add on and spread some sauce. I'm saving a touch in the bowl to have on the side. I'm gonna sprinkle on a drained can of corn. Next, add some mozzarella cheese. Then you need to sprinkle on some crumbled cotija or queso fresco cheese. I have some pickled red onions that I'm going to place on top. And then you can add on some jalapenos or some diced green chilies. And it's time to bake it up. Mexican street corn pizza. I'm loving these pickled red onions, and the green chilies I put on makes it such a wonderful flavor. I think it's a great pizza. Love that sauce. I'm gonna give it a 7.4 out of 10. What's a magician's favorite candy? Twix.